YouTube emailed me and said, hey, you're getting a lot of interest in your videos. Would you like to monetize your channel? And I was like, yeah, heck yes, I want to monetize my channel. And hey, welcome to GT Canada. Today is a special day for us. We are celebrating our 1-year anniversary. So I thought I'd take the time to review what we've done in 1 year, kind of how we're trending, what our stats are looking like, and kind of relay that to what you can expect if you're starting your own YouTube channel and how to kind of benchmark that against other channels. A few stats for you just to kind of give you a good idea of where we're at right now. We just got our 60th, yes, that's right, 60 subscriber today. All of our videos combined have just over 10,000 combined views. Our click-through rate is currently averaging about 7.5% to 8%, which for a channel, a lifestyle or an automotive focused channel, that is on the high side. Most lifestyle channels and automotive focused channels are ranked closer to around 2%. And for those of you that don't know, click-through rate means, let's say your click-through rate was 10%. If we showed your video as a result for a search to 100 people, then we can expect with a click-through rate of 10% that 10 of those 100 people will actually click your video and watch it. Then the other metric that you want to watch out for is how long they actually stay on your video. So our average time, our average watch time is around 50%, which I always thought that was bad. I want people to watch my whole video, and I know my personal YouTube viewing habits are, if I'm watching a video, it's because I actually am looking for what I'm hearing and I watch the whole video. Maybe I'm the only one that does that, but our 50% watch rate is not bad. I would like it to be more, but it's not. If you're watching this and you're trying to get some ideas for how to set up your YouTube channel, a few things to point out about how we did our channel. I started my YouTube channel about 10 years ago. I did my first $500 road trip and posted it on YouTube. Those videos got tons of views, so much in fact that YouTube emailed me and said, hey, you're getting a lot of interest in your videos. Would you like to monetize your channel? And I was like, yeah, heck yes, I want to monetize my channel. And so I did. I got some money paid to me from YouTube. Then we just kind of left it at that. I didn't make any more videos. I didn't upload anything. We weren't going quite as seriously as what we are now. Along that way though, I had my email account hacked and I lost access to that email account. That was the email account that was associated to my YouTube channel. Soon after that, I changed my phone number. When I did decide it was time to get more serious with this YouTube thing, I went back to try and log into that account to just build that one up because I already had a user base and I already had a video base and all that. But I couldn't get in. I didn't remember the password. The phone number wasn't the same number. The email address I don't have access to. So YouTube will not let me have access to that channel. So I had to start all over again. Fresh, brand new channel. So I brought my videos over from that channel to this one, which I posted 1 year ago. So the quality of those videos is quite low. And even though we shot in 720p, the editing software that I was using couldn't handle 720p videos, so I actually downscaled them all to be 640 by 480, which I know I can hear you cringing already because that's awful, right? So the videos are low quality, they're fuzzy, and even though the editing of it was top notch, the production value was good, the quality is so low, we're not getting a lot of hits to those videos. Nobody wants to rewatch them. But those were the first videos that we released. I made this channel initially because I like doing budget road trips. I like doing road trips of any sort. So if I've got the option to do a road trip, I'll do it. I love doing it. Having a YouTube channel is just a little bit of icing on the cake because I like to do interesting things for my road trips, and I think that you, the viewer, would be interested to watch some of the stuff that goes on our road trips. Generally speaking, I think I'm a pretty funny, entertaining guy. If you don't think so, well, I'm sorry. What you don't realize is that for me, life is a stage. Everything's just a production. So cameras are rolling or not, this whole world is here for entertainment. So I have a great time laughing at life around me, and scenarios that aren't really very funny, I try to keep a straight face because I realize it's not funny, but I still want to laugh. If you understand that's kind of how I approach life, I think my videos kind of take a different angle that then you can appreciate, like, yeah, you can laugh along with me, I guess is what I'm saying. So I did this channel as a way to make videos with road trips and that sort of thing. The reality is, though, I can't do road trips all day, every day. That's not my life. I do have a day job. I have a full-time job. I have a family. I have kids. I have things going on other than YouTube. And again, I'm sorry. I know you want me to just live for YouTube and to entertain you guys, but that's not my reality. I needed another way to create more content. So that's where I came up with the whole GT Canada theme, to say, you know, I'm often fixing cars. I'm often doing stuff with vehicles. I'm often talking about vehicles. My life kind of centers around automotive and things with an engine. So that became the theme for the channel. And then I just started filming when I was doing work and did how-to videos. And then I do have interesting stories to tell. So of course, that led into the car stories, and that makes sense. And the reason why we've pivoted a little bit now and turned just recently into what I'm gonna call more of a lifestyle channel. And the reason is, I quite honestly just want the flexibility to be able to post a video about, well, like about this, celebrating our 1-year anniversary on YouTube. If I was strictly an automotive channel, I'd have a harder time convincing you, my viewer, to watch this video because it's not a car video. So if it's not a car video, you're not interested. It also gives me flexibility to put other videos about things that are just going on in my life and activities that I'm participating in, because I do think that's interesting to viewers that aren't necessarily just car guys. And that's why, if you've been with us since the beginning, you'll have noticed that shift from GT Canada All About Cars to GT Canada Lifestyle, which is where I'm giving myself more flexibility to film more things and put more content up on this channel. Now, let's go back to why my subscriber count is so low. 60 subscribers is not a lot. A lot of you may be watching this saying, well, big deal. I've got 100, I've got 200, I've got 500, I have 1,000 subscribers already, and I don't even have content like what you have, so why is your count so low? I made a very conscious decision in the beginning to not actively promote my channel and to not go out and beg my family to follow my channel and to not just go and make a big scene. Partly because, number one, I don't have a lot of content on my channel. So that's great if you get massive numbers of people coming to your channel to check it out. But when they get there and they find out you got one video that's in 480p resolution and is from 10 years ago and is fuzzy, they're not going to subscribe, and it was a wasted effort. So I wanted to build up the content library first and then start repping the channel and posting on Facebook groups and joining clubs and actively telling people, hey, we're GT Canada and we exist and you should come and watch us. We're just at that point now. We have about 45 videos currently posted online total, and that's in 1 year. To do that, that's 4 videos a month, so that's 1 video a week. Now, most of my videos are not just quick 2-minute videos. You'll know that they're a full car story where I film myself driving in my car, telling a story about a car, then I got to do all the B-roll, and I got to go cut that together. So it is a significant time investment and able to get that out. This is more or less a one-man show right now. So I'm filming, I'm starring in, coordinating everything, and then doing all the editing afterwards. doing all the music, doing all the finishing touches, and then uploading to YouTube, filling in all of the descriptions, creating the thumbnails that you see on it, and everything start to finish. So it's more or less a one-man show. I have recently brought on what I'm calling the GT Canada production manager. Shout out to Wayne if you're watching. If you're not watching, you're in trouble because you're supposed to watch. Support the channel that you're part of, buddy. Anyway, that sounded a little hostile. Wayne's agreed to come on for free because we don't make any money, in hopes that one day this channel does make money and turns into something bigger than what it is today. That kind of leads you into, where are we going from here? The plan moving forward is, now that we've got some good content that people are interested in, our videos are starting to see that upward trend for viewership, our next focus is to hit all of the milestones that YouTube describes for monetization. So that is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your videos. I believe we will hit that this year. The content is such that we've got 10,000 views already. We're at about 900 hours of watched video, and that increases exponentially every time. With every video I upload, I get hundreds of hours of watch time from each video now. The beauty is, because I didn't go and beg family members to subscribe to my channel, family members will not watch your videos. I'm sorry to break your heart. They will subscribe because they want to support you, but they are not going to watch your videos because, frankly, they don't care about your car show. They don't care about your lifestyle channel. They don't even care about whatever it is you have to say, because if they did, they would have just found you organically. So I think because our subscriber base is an organic subscriber base, meaning they found us, they watched the video, they liked the content, and decided to subscribe. I think that makes us so that we will grow faster, because it's more likely that those subscribers will watch the videos we're posting. They're more likely to share them with their friends in their circles of people who share similar interests, which means they will come and watch us. It'll grow like that. So that's step number one. Step number two, I am actively engaging other YouTube groups and YouTube subscribers to convince them to come and subscribe. We've got good content. I've joined Facebook groups that have similar interests to the content that we're creating. And I sometimes post links to our videos, just say, hey guys, don't forget, I got this YouTube channel, check it out. They graciously do come over and watch the videos and comment, and we appreciate all the comments. If you've watched this far, because statistically, only half of you are going to be still watching right now. So if you're still watching, thank you. We do appreciate you staying and watching our videos. We do appreciate you liking and subscribing to our channel, and we do appreciate you appreciating what we do. Now, what's in it for you? Here's the deal. I want to be able to reinvest whatever this channel brings us back into the viewers, back into the channel. So my goal, my ambition is, if you see me doing a car trip, a road trip, for example, I've got a good one coming up. I got a couple good ones from this summer coming up. So if you haven't subscribed, here's the plug. Subscribe and like, hit the bell, blah, 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 and make sure that you get notified when those videos get posted. But here's the deal. This last road trip that I did, I bought a car. What I want to do is, if enough money is coming in from GT Canada to where I can go buy this car with GT Canada's money, in my opinion, that's GT Canada's car. Well, what do you do with a car that belongs to GT Canada after you're done shooting the episode that you needed the car for? Well, I say, give it away. I want to be able to, at the end of every episode, if we have any special featured item, product, whatever, I want to be able to run some sort of a giveaway where you, the viewer, can get that item. If it's a car, I will give you the car. I'll ship it to your house if that's what it takes, so you can have the car that we used in the video. How cool would that be? I don't need the car, and if I got the money for free from YouTube for making YouTube videos, why shouldn't I give that car away? If I'm reviewing a TV stick, then why shouldn't I be able to give that TV stick away? I need help to get there though. I need my subscribers to be over 1,000. I need my viewers to be over 4,000 hours worth of watch time. So if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. You're just one, but you are one more subscriber. Once we hit 1,000, our videos will take off faster. We'll get enough money coming in that I can start doing these giveaways just like I want to do. So this is very much Jerry Maguire. Help me help you. And if you don't want the stuff that I'm talking about giving away, then whatever. Don't subscribe. I'd prefer that you do, but you don't have to. For the everyday vlogger, the guy who's saying, I'm gonna start my own vlogs and what should I expect? Well, I think our results are somewhat typical. I've reviewed other vlogs. The main keys that you want to keep in mind, posting frequently. You know, every week is good. A lot of well-established channels, they have a regular schedule that they keep where they post videos every Friday or every Saturday or every Monday or Wednesday. Or you can be like Linus Tech Tips where they post every day, right? You can do that. In the beginning, when you have no content and you have no subscribers and you have nothing to offer anybody, I would strongly recommend that you do not get yourself stuck into a posting schedule. Number one, because you don't know what kind of schedule you can keep. But number two, if you've got a lot of videos that are ready to go, you've got a lot of ideas, you just need to film them. I would say film them, edit them, get them up. Even if you post 5 videos in one day, fine, do it. Do not put them on a scheduled time, scheduled release, whatever. Make a video, put it up. The main key to gaining subscribers and viewership is just having the content. People will find your content. YouTube, if you've got good content, you've got a high click-through rate, they will reward you with viewers. They will show your video as an option to more people than somebody who has a poor click-through rate. They do absolutely play favorites. So you want them to favor you. And how do you do that? Content, content, content. Just make videos, get them up, get them online. Once you've established that base, then you can start doing a regular schedule where you're holding videos back so that you've got a backlog of content that's ready to be released. But you got to get yourself established first. And I know, you know, why do you want to listen to me? I've only got 60 subscribers and 10,000 hours of views and whatever. But I'm telling you, these are the things that I've learned through my own research, through looking at other people's vlogs to see where they're at and so on. That's where we're at right now. I'm going to check in another year from now, and I have a feeling that we will be at our target for monetization. I have a real strong feeling that that's where we're going to be at, just because of the rate that we're starting to grow to where it will take off quickly. So I hope you learned something from this video and that you've got your expectations in check for what is possible with the YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, blah, blah, blah. And if you haven't already, check out some of the other videos. I'm sure you'll enjoy watching a lot of it anyway, so it'll be great. Can't wait to see you again.